So I just wanted to let everybody know that we are using Slack to communicate with one another here in the Innovation Lab, just to communicate with each other, to post updates, and then also so that you can communicate with your team members and mentors. And where we are is at sd-rec and then .slack.com. And there. You can access any of these channels. Most of the channels that we have going right now were for the development of the actual Entrepreneurship Center. Now I'm expecting to see a lot more channels get created for you, all entrepreneurs in the program. As you want to communicate with one another, you can create a new channel like this. We could even create one right now for the Gazelle Path. But you can make it private. You can, if that's something you want to do. You can add any of the channels that are not private. I have in here mine both private and non-private. So I'll go through after this and add all of you and invite you all to Slack, but for now I'm going to skip this. If I wanted to notify all of you of something in this particular channel, I would make a message and I would type the @ symbol and then I would type channel. That's notifying everyone in the channel. If I just wanted to notify one person within the channel, I would type their name, @ and then their name, and then it would come up. All right. So as soon as I add you, if you're not already in here, although I think I've sent most all of your emails, but I'll maybe send it again if it's been a while, you'll have access then to the channel, but maybe not, or I'm sorry, the workspace, but maybe not the channels without adding them. If you'd like to look them up, you can. Otherwise, most things that we're posting will be in the general section. So you can see like the LinkedIn PowerPoint is there from earlier. There's some videos in there as well. Everything that we've been doing since the beginning is here. If you want to communicate with everybody in the channel, you can just post into the, just post into the channel. But if you don't put the @ it won't notify us. So you can see like these over here where it says channel doesn't have any of the little red with the dot. That means that nobody has put my name in there. Over here they have, and that means I need to go in there and check what people have said to me today. There's also the option within Slack to do direct messaging, and that's over here, direct messages. And so you can click on somebody particular if you wanted to send them a message, or you could just do direct message like this. And okay, wonderful. So that's using Slack. Please use this to communicate with one another. You can also use this to communicate with me. I think it'll be helpful. I'll post all of the videos, all of the workshops, everything that we've done, I'll post there in Slack so that you can see them. And I hope that you enjoy that. We'll talk a little bit more about it on Friday, but I just wanted to give you an introduction. So you'll be getting some messages through Slack. So I want to make sure that you know where they are. Oh, one other thing I want to show you in Slack. So I should show you this while we're here. Make sure that you set up your notifications so that it tells that you actually get notified.